Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Lauren and I go by Islandbeauty, which is the title of my YouTube channel. I haven't been here for a long time. I've been doing new job training for my work. I still have a couple weeks left of training. So this was like more of a random video. Did not plan this. I just saw somebody, one of my favorite influencers, do a look with the stars on the inner eyes, and I figured let me try, see if I can actually do it. So this is my first attempt. It's not perfect, as I said, but I was just messing around. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for later, let me know. Thank you. Enjoy the video. I started with an outline of the stars with my Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer in the shade number 1. This part probably took the longest to create because I literally had to create these even lines to make the star look like a real star. And for that first color, I did use the pink color on the Zulu palette. It's a really fast clip, but hopefully you guys got where I was coming from with that. Since the concealer I used is the lightest shade they have, to get this pink color to really pop, I had to really pack it in there. So I'm literally forcing it onto my lid at this point. So it looks a little messy, but I'm gonna clean it up later. Using the purple shade from the Zulu palette, I am filling in those lines that I created on the outer of my lid. I'm using the light brown shade of the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette to define the lines of the stars I created. I know it looks a hot mess right now, guys, but once again, this is my first attempt at this method, and I'm just trying to make do with what I have at this point. Now I'm going over it with my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Your best bet for eyeliner is to go as slow as possible. Especially with liquid liner, it does get messy really quickly and it's hard to remove. Next, I'm going in with my Almay Make Myself Clear Foundation in the number 900, and that shade is Cappuccino. This is like an acne treatment foundation, so I really do love it. It did help me a lot throughout COVID when our mask caused a lot of massive breakouts. So this is my go-to drugstore foundation. This is where I'm going to start cleaning up that brown shade I placed around my eyes and the stars. And this brush I'm using had a really nice fine tip, so I was able to get into those creases and blend out really nicely. Make sure to blend out under your brows as well, especially if you conceal them. I'm going to make sure it's clean and cut before you move on to anything else. For my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Textureyes, and they look so natural. I love these. They're very wispy, and honestly, I got them on sale. So I got a really good deal, and it was so easy to put on. I did use my Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive in the white and clear to put these on. You guys, normally it takes me so long to get my lashes to go on, but literally within 1, 2, 3 steps, I was done. Look how easy this applied. I didn't have to readjust, remove it, or even add more adhesive. It was just one and done. For today's lips, I use my Juvia's Place Toffee lipstick, my Juvia's Place Luxe liner in the shade Brownie, and my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Confetti. Here's a step-by-step of how I create a brown and nude ombre lip. Line the lips first, and the next thing you want to do is get into the creases of the corners of your lips. That'll help give that ombre a higher effect. After that, if you didn't choose this nude shade, choose any nude shade that works for you and apply that to the center of your lips, top and bottom. The best method when blending this is to lightly smack your lips together without rubbing it completely in, because you don't want the brown to completely overshadow the nude. Last step is to go in with your gloss. Lightly apply. You don't want it to be too glossy. You just want to give it a little bit of a hue. Any clear gloss will be perfect for this. For going in with our highlighter, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sandcastle Killawatt Foil Highlighter. This shade is a very pink and holographic shade, and I think it goes perfect with the pink and purple on my eyes and the fact that I'm wearing stars, so I thought this was a good fit to go with this look. Honestly, you guys can highlight wherever you want, but the most important places would be your cheekbones, remove your nose, corners of your eyebrows, Cupid's bow, chin, but if you want to highlight more places, you definitely can. Here's a quick close-up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my boredom look, I would call it. I saw someone do like stars around their eyes, and I figured, let me try it out. So I was literally messing around. This video was not planned at all. But let me know what y'all think. With my random, I don't know what to call it. Maybe give me a title too. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.